Hello guys, welcome to the vlog. And for today, we are going to unbox and quick check a new helmet from SEC. Okay? Actually, nabuksan ko na to check if the package is correct. Out from the box, yung helmet itself. May kasamang helmet bag, tapos may extra clear visor, face mask, Allen key, SEC sticker and manual and receipt. Okay, here's the helmet itself. May kasama siyang dust and carrying bag. Wow! Okay. Nabili ko sa Shopee for around 3,400. Originally, nasa 4,600 pesos. Less vouchers, siguro mga 30%. So, nakuha ko ng 3,400 kasama na shipping. Okay, let's start. Quick check lang po. This is actually a dual sport helmet. On-road and off-road or touring whatsoever. May beak po siyang kasama. And actually, you can remove the beak. Ito po yung purpose ng free Allen, to remove the beak. And parang normal helmet na siya tingnan. Okay. Tapos may apat na air ventilations. Isa sa front, dalawa sa top, and isa sa likod. Okay. Yung naka-install na lens ay smoke lens. And this is actually dual visor. Okay, yung kasamang visor, smoke na rin. So, I might as well replace the main visor sa clear one. Okay? And this is actually modular helmet. So, ipe-press nyo lang dito. And, yun. For the material naman, ano siya, parang hindi siya mumurahin or I might say premium finish po or premium quality yung ginamit na material. And for the locking mechanism, quick release po. Okay. And this one is also ICC and ECE approved. ECE, Europe standard, and ICC parang dito sa Philippines. Okay, so I think that's it. Ay, by the way, this is actually 1,750 grams. So plus 50, so 1,800 grams yung weight ng actual helmet. So usually yung full face helmet around nasa 1,500, 1,400 more or less. So mabigat siya ng 300 to 400 grams. So take it into consideration din. Okay, so test fit po natin my head circumference is 58 cm and medyo chubby chick. So, test po natin. Okay, so fit po natin. By the way, before ko makalimutan, yung helmet po ay pin lock ready and intercom ready. Okay, sige. So, test po natin. Pag magsusuot ng modular helmet, dapat nakaangat po. Okay. By the way, ulitin ko po, my head circumference is 58 cm and medyo chubby chick po, and this is size XL. May nabasa ako sa comments sa Shopee na medyo maliit daw yung sizing ng Sec Cross na helmet. Okay? Test fit po. Okay, that's it for this vlog. Thank you and ride safe. Bye-bye.